Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to translate a web page in Google Chrome from a different language into English. As you can see, this web page is in Spanish. This does have limitations as it will only translate text, not images. Once you're on the page, go to the far right top side to the Open Application menu. It has 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down to the Translate Page option. Click it, select the languages you'd like to translate from and to, and click the blue Translate button. And there it is, the text has been translated into English so you can enjoy news and information from all over the world. Ecatations is really good for information about renewable energy like scientific breakthroughs. I recommend checking it out. Now, of course, there are limitations to the translation, and not everything will be accurate as it is just Google translating a page. And we know how reliable Google Translate is. But it's good enough to get an understanding of topics. If you enjoyed this small tutorial, like and comment, and I might make more. Thanks for watching.